How to relight a video in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more presets and effects for life. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Click and select your video clip or footage as it's highlighted. Just to go down and scroll to the right, see the option which says Relight. It's next to Overlay and Remove BG, and it is a Capcut Mobile Pro feature. So we're going to click Facial and we're going to click Soft Light, or you can surround with any of these other ones if you want. Basically right here, we want to take this and we can scroll it left, right, and it changes the color. In this case, a soft light. We're applying it so you can see the light affected and not affected. And click checkmark icon. Successfully relighted a video clip in Capcut Mobile completely for free. Feel free to mess around with the settings. Click again relight. Settings that you can mess around with. I like this one, teal and black. See, we have more of a Hollywood look, completely for free in Capcut Mobile. Subscribe for more.